Credit App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how convenient healthcare financing has become in 2025. The Credit App lets you manage medical expenses, pay bills, and access special financing options. But is it worth it for you? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming medical financing is rigid and complicated. Credit offers short-term and promotional financing for procedures like dental work, vision care, cosmetic treatments, and veterinary services. You can split payments over months with little or no interest if you qualify. Another advantage is ease of use. You won't believe what happens next when you see how simple it is to apply through the app, check your balance, and make payments. Notifications and reminders help you stay on top of bills, and many healthcare providers accept Credit, making it widely usable. However, there are cons. Interest rates can be high if promotional terms are missed, and late payments may incur fees. Approval depends on creditworthiness, and not all medical procedures qualify. Additionally, the app focuses solely on financing rather than providing general budgeting or expense tracking. In conclusion, the Credit App in 2025 is a valuable tool for managing healthcare costs, offering flexibility and convenience for those needing financing for medical or veterinary services. While users must be careful to manage payments to avoid high interest, the app simplifies the process and expands access to treatments that might otherwise be financially out of reach.